Alright y'all, welcome back. Some of y'all might remember seeing this lock on the internet somewhere. LockPickingLawyer did one a while back, and when I seen it, I had to have it. I collect these round body padlocks. Now this reset 65mm, it is very cheap. I'd put it along like the Harbor Freight cheapness. Really cheap core in it, but I still like these because they're just so beefy. You know, physically they're tough. But yeah, they do got cheap cores. But this one was like less than 10 bucks, I think, at time of purchase on Amazon. But they did screw up on this one. There's a major flaw that hopefully we'll get to. I'm going to try to pick it single pin pick it first. There is the key. It is double ball locking. And while you can take the core out, I don't think you can disassemble this one. We'll get to that. So first, let's try and pop it the harder way. You know me, I like to single pin pick. Alright, let's put some tension on it and see if we can't pop this puppy. You know what, let's start in the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, if I can stay on it, 1, 5, 4, 2, no, 5, did feel like I dropped it. Oh, there we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I guess I got something overset. 4, 3. Yeah, I got something overset, I think. I'll let it drop. It should get me back to... There we go. I had something overset. Alright, so saved by the bell. So let's pop that core out of there and I'll show you. Well, actually, I'll show you now. So that was single pin picked. Lock it back up, and what they screwed up on was they didn't put, come on baby, one of these in there. The anti-bypass wafer. They cost like pennies. But since they didn't put one in there, we can use a tool like this, the bypass tool. This one's by Sparrows. You just slip it into the back of the lock. Look for that sweet spot. Oops. Look for that sweet spot. And pop the lock really quick and in a hurry. So again, for pennies, they could have prevented that. So let me pop the core out and I'll show you. We cannot disassemble it if I remember right. Let's pop that out of there. Pop that out of there. And pop that out. Yeah, so yeah, there's not a hole. The hole on the 6th chamber here does not go through that core, and they use that one to hold the core in, so without actually drilling through that, you can't get that core out, so, but that's alright. Any hoodles, that's it. That is the Reset 65mm super shiny right in the camera lens. Reset 65mm. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. It really helps me out. And check it out. We just reached the 2,000 subscriber mark, so thank you all so much. I did get a bunch of stuff from Sparrows for an upcoming giveaway. Double up giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Alright? Thank you so much.